Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what is mean by off-page optimization and why we have to do this off-page optimization for our website and how Google is going to consider this off-page. Okay, now let's get started. Here, when you want to show up your website, when you want to have a better rankings to your website, not only on page is fine. So okay, you have to go with the off page and technical SEO as well. So I can say that 40% is on page and remaining 40% is off page and remaining 20% is technical SEO. Okay, so now we are done with only 40% of SEO. Remaining 60% we have to discuss it. Okay, so now you already know what is meant by on page. So on page means whatever the optimization we are doing within our site, like optimizing the titles or optimizing the images, whatever it might be. So everything we are doing within our site, like right, getting into the dashboard and changing everything. That is what called as a on page SEO. So off-page SEO means you are completely optimizing your site. So without touching your site, you are optimizing for your website. That is what simply off-page. Okay, what is meant by outside? So I'm telling that. So whatever the optimization you are doing outside of your website, that is called off-page. So what is meant by outside? Let me just show you example. So outside means completely it's all about links. Okay. So till now, what are the different kinds of links? It's a
Internal links, external
internal
links.
links and external links, right? So internal links means you already know if you link back to any other page or any other link within your site, then it is called as internal link. So if you link back to any other website, any other web page, then it is called as external link. Okay, so giving an internal link, is it in your hands?
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
giving a link, internal link is in our hands. So wherever I want to redirect my users, I can simply redirect by just giving a link. Then what about external link? Is it in my hands?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
Yes, it
no.
is.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right. So dashboard, I can just select
Mm,
the text and copy the link of other website and then paste it in our website.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah.
So it is also in my hand. Okay, see here, off pages completely depends on backlinks. Okay, and we call them as a inbound links as well. So it is not on, it doesn't depends on internal or external link. It completely depends on backlinks. Backlinks means if you're getting a link from other website to your website, so other website is linking back to your website, then you are receiving a back. Simply backlinks means like voting to your website. I am voting to your website now. Now let us say if I give a link back to a Rafi website, that means Rafi is getting a backlink. So why am I trying to give a link back to Rafi's website? Why?
Promotion of the
Relevancy.
website.
Okay, let me show you.
You said
Yes.
like Google will also search like even in this
Mhm.
access like they'll see our rating through this also, right? So
Yes. See here, digital marketing. Now, is this an clickable text or not? This.
yes,
Yes.
Yeah,
ma'am. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, let me try to click this. And what about this keyword?
Yep. It's a
Is
Yes.
this
clickable.
clickable text? Okay,
Right.
let me click this. Okay, where I'm redirecting to, if I click that fees keyword,
Blue Fountain Media. Some other website.
some other website, then what does it mean? So it is an
Back.
a
You are creating backlink for Blue Mountain in your website.
very good. See here, it is an external link for my website. For ODMT, it is an external link, but for Blue Fountain Media, it is a
Main page link.
Backlink.
backlink,
Main.
right? It is an
Okay.
inbound link. Got it now. So now, so
So
getting a
from us,
backlink,
it's
is
an
it in your
outbound
hand?
link.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. External link or outbound link. You can call it anything.
Okay.
Okay. See here, then is it easy or else, is it in your hands to get a backlinks?
No.
No, right? It's not in our hands. So it depends on other website owners. So tell me why others will give you the simply backlink.
You
Now
have to pay
we
the money.
So SEO, as I
They,
told you that SEO is completely free, organic. So organically we
the
are
ranking,
trying to bring.
if you are connecting or we are using putting backlinks for other website, the maybe Google will give us more points or something, or more, or
So I told you that if we get a more backlink, so Google will think that yes, this particular person is getting a more vote here. So when I give a backlink to Blue Fountain Media, so when someone means to my website and they start reading the content from here, and if they click this fees, they will be redirected to this website. So here, why others will give you a backlink? There are one reason. There is only one reason. If it is a relevant, okay. So we found that yes, this Blue Fountain Media is providing us some good information about digital marketing. That is the reason we are making people to redirect to that website. So this is what the process goes on entire world. Like, you know, if I wants to give a backlink to your website, you should have a something extra. You should have a something a better informative kinds of things if you have. So I can give you the backlink. So if you don't have anything in your website, then what is the point of giving you the backlink? So when someone comes to my website, I am redirecting to the website somewhere where the website doesn't have anything. So at the time I don't give any backlink. So here, how Google is going to calculate the backlinks and why it is calculate the backlinks, let me show you with simple diagram. Okay, so here it is a Rafi's website and it's a Pramod website.
Chitra, hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah. Is there a possibility that this person who is going to give a backlink to your website, rather than giving a backlink, he copies the content?
no.
Copy the content. Why he has to copy the
I
content?
mean, like he can rephrase and copy the content, right?
So anyone can copy the content, right?
Yeah,
So there is
yeah.
no restriction. Anyone can copy the content. Yes.
Exactly.
So if you copy the content, who is the loser? You will be the loser, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. No one will do that kinds of things. Why? Because they already know the impact of doing these copywriting.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us say here. This is a Rafi website and this is a Pramod website. Now Rafi is giving a backlink to Pramod website. Then what it means?
I'm promoting Pramod's website.
Okay, that means Pramod is getting a backlink, right? Pramod is getting a backlink. Okay, so for you it is an inbound link and for Pramod it is an outbound. Sorry. So for Pramod it is an inbound link and for you it is an outbound link. Now Google will come to only Pramod website. Is it visiting only Pramod website?
No.
Nope. Both.
No, right? So both website in such a way. See here, Sumit, Ashar, Balu, Sunil. Okay, everyone are trying to give a backlink to Pramod. Okay, see here. Now everyone are, how many of them here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people are linking back to Pramod website only. Why? Because so you people felt that yes, Pramod have some good information. Okay, so Pramod is providing some very good information and he has a very good traffic as well. So if you redirect the users from your website to other website, so what benefit you will get here? What benefit you will get here?
We should also get something like ranking, relevancy.
No. So you don't get anything, but you face a Google user's good experience. Now let us say Pramod website is relevant to Rafi's website and Sumit's website, whoever linked back to Pramod website. Let us assume that only this website is not relevant to Pramod website. So everyone website is relevant. Now when someone user visits this Rafi's website and if he click that clickable text and redirects to Pramod, so if they can see, if they can find very good information, so it is like a user's good experience for a Rafi, right? So Google will calculate that as well. So whether user is facing some good experience or bad experience. So that is what. So here these people don't get anything. Okay, sometimes they also might get backlinks due to processing some reciprocity and all. So that we're going to discuss it in later anyhow. So but these people are going to face some users good experience. This is what simply backlink. Backlink means giving a link back to some other websites. Okay, now how Google is going to calculate is, earlier Google is going to calculate only on quantity. Okay, so earlier Google used to concentrate only on quantity, like how many backlinks, that means how many words you are getting. Now let us say one more website here, it's a Sumit website. So everyone are giving a backlink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Pramod is also giving a backlink to Sumit website. Oh, who got a more backlinks now, Pramod or Sumit?
Both same.
Same? How same?
Sumit, because even Pramod also added
So
there.
even Pramod is also giving a backlink to Sumit website.
Sumit, yeah.
So now let's say that Pramod and Sumit have a same niche here. So their website is all about digital marketing, let us assume. So now
Okay.
Google will comes to Pramod website as well as the Sumit's website. So what Google will calculate, yes, how many people are voting to Sumit and how many people are voting to Pramod now. Okay, so finally Google will recognize that yes, for Sumit website there are many votes. That means many people are voting to Sumit for a keyword called online digital marketing, or else for a keyword called digital marketing. So that means many people felt that yes, this is a very good website. So finally Google will think that acha, so these many people are linking back to Sumit website, so I have to make this website on top for a particular keyword. So let's say this is an SCRP. So finally, this Sumit will be on top for a particular keyword searched by the users. So this is how it works. So earlier it used to concentrate on quantity. Now let us say that this person is unrelevant and these 4 people are relevant website. So though he's a unrelevant also, he is getting a backlink, right? So what happened? So it is just quantity. I'm just calculating the quantity: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people, and for this person only 5 backlinks. Now he will be on top. But here what happened? This website is unrelevant. This website is kind of, it's completely about best shampoos, or else it's completely about beauty blogs. So now a person being to beauty blogs website, and from their website, so from that beauty blog website, why he wants to redirect to a digital marketing website? Do you think is that good to redirect the customers from others niche to from other niche? So
No,
is
man.
that correct? So it's completely bad process, right? So why
Yeah.
I would like to redirect from beauty blogs to an kind of educational website? So it's completely unrelevant also. Now let us say every website in a Google, so do these kinds of unrelevant backlinks, then how it will be like a, so will anyone uses Google now? So now when someone beams to Rafi's website, Rafi is redirecting the customers to an unrelevant website, and then here Sunit also redirecting to an unrelevant website. Why?
Yes.
So what they will get? So everyone is redirecting to an unrelevant information here. So everything is completely going like a, in a malpractice way. It's completely in a wrong way, right? So people have to face some good experience. So only for the people the Google is working now. So if you go and concentrate on only quantity. So now what Sumit will do? Yes, so Google is concentrating on only quantity, right? So I will try to get a many backlinks from unrelevant website, many backlinks from spammy kinds of website. So he will be purchasing, or else he will be doing some malpractices and trying to get a backlinks. That's it. Then definitely he will be on top, right? So here what's happening? So I told you, right, one algorithm, like did you remember that penguin algorithm?
Yes.
So what is this penguin algorithm? Penguin algorithm.
Spammy backlinks.
Yes,
Spammy
see
link.
here, spammy links. So if you get a backlink from a spammy website, so it is calculating, Penguin website is going to hit you. So spammy websites means if you do some malpractices like purchasing, or else if you get a backlink from an unrelevant website, that considered as a spammy websites. Okay. So what happens if you do the such kinds of things? Definitely Penguin update is going to hit. Okay, so never ever do that process. So while getting a backlink also, you have to be aware, you have to be more careful. So this is what the process. So earlier it used to concentrate on quantity. Now what it is concentrating on?
Quality, relevancy.
Quality.
Chitra,
Yes.
I have a doubt. For
Yes.
example, you have created a website on, say, shampoos, and
Hmm.
I have created a website on, say, technology, and you're trying to give me a backlink to technology. So, is there any kind of permission that I require? Like, do I need to give you access to my website? Is
No,
there
no,
any
no.
kind of such thing,
No,
or
no,
you
no.
can directly
Everyone,
link up?
I can directly link up. Yes, yes. That is
Okay,
what we
so
have to aware of. So we need to aware of from which websites we are getting a backlink.
how can we decline this?
Yes.
Because this
Yes, yes,
penguin
we
can
can
hit
find
both
out.
of us, right?
Yes, see here, in the last class we have discussed about Search Console. So while discussing about Search Console, I have shown you right from which website you are getting a backlinks also.
Yeah,
Okay,
right, right.
so
Yes,
just
ma'am. Yeah.
go through that each and every website. So see whether it is a relevant to your website or not. So if it is not relevant, so you have to contact with that website owner and make him to delete your link. Why? Because it is not our website to delete that link, right? So it
Yeah,
is a website owner. So we have to contact him. So that is
So,
what the process.
so if we won't delete, ma'am, like, is there any chance?
We
I
cannot
think we
delete
have
it. We cannot delete it.
Google report or something like that. Is there
Oh,
anything available?
no, no, no. See here, we have to directly contact that website owner only.
Okay.
Yes, there is a many ways where we can contact the website owners, but rare cases, you will get a backlink from
Like
unrelevant
that.
website. Yes,
Oh,
why
Okay.
okay,
others
okay.
will give you the backlink, right? Simply, it is very hard to get a backlink, so it is a
Okay,
very
okay.
rare. It is completely rare you are getting a backlink from unrelevant website.
Okay, cool.
Okay. See here, quantity means this. So this is used to Google, this is the work Google used to work. Now it is concentrating more on quality. Okay. So what is this quality? Let me show you. So quality depends on three factors, that is age, and then domain authority, age authority, page authority, and then keyword. Final thing is relevancy. Okay. So age, so sometimes why the everyone will say that old is gold. Now if you can see that when you search for any kind of keyword, so the you can see the website which is old one. Why? Because that is a old website, as it is a old website, so it was doing SEO from past 20 years, 10 years, and Google will make that website on top. So Google almost, Google will give the priority for age as well. Okay, so most probably you can see the results which have the old age websites. That's it. The next thing is domain authority and page authority. What is this domain authority and page authority? So domain authority again depends on two factors: quality backlinks. Your quality backlinks means again relevancy, right? So how which kind of websites you are getting a backlink, Google will see that thing. Okay, and what is the age of your website, Google will see that thing. And finally Google will see that what is the keyword. So overall it would be like a complicated things for you. Let me just show you domain and page. Domain and page. Here, Google always try to concentrate on domain authority and page authority. If your website consists of good domain authority and page authority, then definitely you can have a better rankings for your website for particular keyword. What is this domain authority and page authority means? So again, as I told you, so it depends on age, it depends on quality backlinks. Quality backlinks means again, so it depends on relevancy, from which website you are getting a backlink. And then for which keyword you are getting a backlink is very, very important. Now let us say here, a person is linking back to Pramod website. So Rafi is linking back to Pramod website. So how he can give a link back to Pramod website? How? What's the process? What's the process? Tell me how we can give a link back.
Like
So
external
if we have
links.
like
Yes.
relevant to the same thing, like
Yeah,
external
just tell
links,
me the
yeah.
process. We just select that text, right?
Link,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, we just select the text, and when someone click that text, they will be reader. So that is called keyword. Okay, so here, so keyword is also a complete SEO depends on keyword. So what is the importance of having a keyword in on-page optimization? So why we are trying to insert that keyword?
It will come up in the search. When you
Yes,
search for the
so
blog.
when I try to use that keyword, then Google will understand that yes, this is what my blog is all about.
Okay.
So here also, when someone give a link back to your keyword, like so online digital marketing training. So for this text, Rafi gave a backlink to Prabhu's website. So now when Google comes to this Rafi's website, Google will crawl each and everything, right? So it will crawl complete content, and it will crawl images and everything, and it will crawl the external link as well. So when Google click this online digital marketing, Google will be redirect to a Pramod website. Okay, so in such a way, everyone give a link back to Pramod website for a keyword called online digital marketing training. So what Google will understands now, so every time when the link comes, Google is redirecting to the Pramod website, right? So what Google understands now, yacha, so everyone are voting for a Pramod for a keyword called online digital marketing training. So maybe this person is famous for online digital marketing training, so I have to make this website on top. Got it now? So that is what keyword plays a vital role in off-page and on-page SEO. So it is very, very mandatory that for which keyword you are getting a backlink also. Okay, so this is also one more thing you have to remember. So normally domain authority ranges from 1 to 100. If your domain authority for your website is 1, so it is very minimum. Okay, so it is the least case. So the more the number, the higher the domain authority is. So based on your age and quality backlinks, Google will give you the domain authority like 1 or 2 or 6 or 10 or 50. Okay, so that is what domain authority. So according to your domain authority and page authority, Google will places the website on top. Okay, what is this page authority again? Page authority. Domain authority is for whole website. Okay, so for whole website, it is giving you one authority. So page authority means complete pages of your website. So it will give you an average score for all of your pages. So it is also ranges from 1 to 100. Domain and page authority. So based on these two factors, Google will show up the positions on top. Now let us say Pramod have a page domain and page authority like a 2 or 4, let us assume. So he has a domain authority like 20, and Sumit have a domain authority like a 30. Okay, so now Google will notice that yes, so he have a good domain authority. So if he has a good domain authority, what does it mean? So he has a good quality backlinks as well as he has a good age. So many people are voting to his website as well. So definitely Google will show up this website on top. Got it now? So this is what whole process works behind this, okay, off page. So it's completely backlinks. Okay, and you have to remember one more thing, it is a keyword also, for which keyword you are getting a backlink. Okay, now let us say I'm getting a backlink from a beauty blogs, and my keyword is a best shampoo to use. When someone click this best shampoo to use, they were redirecting to my website. So what Google will think now? What
Your
Google will
website
think?
is good for shampoos.
Good for shampoo.
Yes, so
Domain.
Google will think that yes, this person is voting to that person for a keyword called best shampoo to use. So maybe that person is famous for best shampoo, right? So if everyone goes and give you a backlink for this keyword, then is that good again? So do you want to show up the website for this keyword?
No.
No, so we are not so first of all you have to define, you have to decide what is your particular keyword, what is your relevant keyword. While doing on-page optimization also, for each and every blog you will be doing some keyword research, right? So why we have to do some keyword research? Why?
To get a best keyword for your
We can use them in
uh,
Keyword is
so
everything.
see, right,
keyword
if
is
you don't know what is your keyword, then what is the point of writing a blog, thousands
yeah.
of words? So is there any use? So
No.
you need to find out for which keyword you wants to be on top simply. So the same way here, if you are doing this off-page optimization also, so first finalize for what all the keywords you have to work and what all the keywords you need to get a backlinks. Okay. So fine, domain authority and page authority fine, and you have to concentrate on keywords. What is mean by relevancy again?
Relevant
Relevance,
to
related.
relevant to your
niche,
niche.
relevant
Yeah.
to your website. Okay,
Website. Yeah.
so
Similar content.
similar content. So if it is a kind of educational kinds of website, so try getting a backlink from educational institutes kinds of website. So if it is always about travel blogs, try getting a backlink from travel tours
What
and travel.
exactly do you mean by try getting? We need to approach the website
Ah,
owners?
yes, yes. See here, there is a lot of process we're going to learn how to do this off page. So we are going to discuss only the basics, like what is this off page, and from the next class we're going to discuss how to do this off page.
All right,
Okay,
all right.
so then you'll clearly understand how to approach the website and how exactly we're going to get the backlinks, quality backlinks again. Okay, right.
All
So
right.
so the next thing is that how Google calculate the backlinks. What is meant by backlinks? Tell me. Tell me. Backlink means?
Link for our, which can bring people to our website. Any
Okay.
URL.
Any
Okay.
website that is linking back to our website.
So that is so Google is calculating it as a one backlink. Is that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So here you need to know few more things. Right.
I guess the number of times he mentions, those are the number of backlinks we get.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. Good. See here again. This person is linking back to this person website. When Google comes to this website, fine. So Google will think that yes, this person is good for this keyword. Now, backlinks means simply how many people redirects to that website, that many backlinks you're gonna get. Okay, got it now. So here for this website, let us assume that 100 people beans to this website. Okay, 100 people visited this website. Out of 100 people, 50 people have been clicked this clickable text and they redirected to this website. So that means how many backlinks this website got?
50.
50
50
back.
backlinks. Okay, this is what how Google used to calculate the backlinks. Okay, earlier. Okay, so now how many people redirects to this website? That many backlinks. Okay, now next website again. This website consists of, it has a 150 traffic out of 150 people. So 40 people redirected to this website. How many backlinks now?
90.
90 backlinks. 40 plus 50.
And 50.
So overall 90 backlinks. This was the process Google used to work earlier. Now what happens is Google changed the process completely. So what happens now? Let us say that for one website, do you guarantee that they will be working on only one keyword? So now my website is like digital marketing training. So I wants to come on top for what is SEO keyword. I would like to come on top for what is
Digital
Google Ads and
marketing.
so many queries will be there, right? So you have to decide what all your keywords. Now let us say that this website consists of a lot of keywords and it is getting a traffic for almost 10 keywords. Let us assume 10 organic keywords. That means people are visiting to this website from a 10 organic results, 10 organic keywords. Okay. Now here what Google will consider is that if one person, if 50% redirect to that website for a keyword, from a keyword called only one keyword, so then it will be calculating it as a one backlink only. Now let us say there are many keywords like best shampoo to use hair, and shampoo for hair fall, then best shampoo, no, natural shampoo. So now for this best shampoo, for this keyword, people visited to this website, like a 50 people visited this website, and then for this keyword 40 people visited, and for this natural shampoo keyword 30. Are you getting my point? Tell me what I'm saying here. This website is appearing for a 3 organic keywords, that is a best shampoo to use hair, to use for dry hair, and shampoo to use, natural shampoo to use. So for each and every keyword, so for this keyword 50 people, the search volume, like a 50 people are searching for this keyword and beans to this website, and 40 people beans to this website from this keyword, and 30 people visited this website from this keyword. So overall how much the traffic?
120.
120. So 120 is the traffic. Now let us say that among these 50 people, 10 people have been redirected to this website. Okay, so 10 people have been redirected to this website. Then now how Google calculates, so even though the 10 people redirects to this website also, it will calculate it as a only one backlink. Getting my point now? Okay, so among
because
this,
because of only one keyword.
okay,
Keyword, only one key.
so because
Oh.
those 10 people are from only one keyword,
Keyword.
okay, so that is the reason Google is calculating it as a only one backlink. Oh no, now let us say that from this keyword there are 30 visitors, right? So among the 30 visitors, 20 people redirected to this website. Now tell me how many backlinks again?
Two.
One.
One.
Total
Total
One.
two.
yeah.
Total two.
Total two. So again one. So total two. So among this, like a 40 people, 40 visitors from this keyword, and among that like a 40 people redirected. So tell me how many backlinks again?
One again.
One
One.
Total
again,
three.
one.
Right. So overall three. So see now how difficult it is to get a backlink. See. So now how
And
many
apart,
people?
also we cannot stuff keywords also in our website, so it's kind of
Yes.
difficult.
Difficult. So why Google is going with this much difficulty levels? Can you tell me?
Competition is very
Then,
high.
then
Yeah,
everyone will be
there
Competition
on
are
the
is
many,
top.
very
right?
high.
It's,
See now, if you
Mm.
are fed up with doing SEO, you will directly choose an alternative way like Google Ads. Going to give you the better results, right? Precise results, exactly what people are searching for. And Google is always try to overcome the spammy kinds of backlinks as well. So it is better for the
Yeah.
user, right? So for giving the better results, Google is striving hard, and Google is giving us many restrictions to be on top.
In the name of user experience, looting us from Google Ads.
Yes, seriously. Yes, this is
Yeah.
how Google works now. Okay, now did you understand the topic of backlinks now? How exactly we have
Yes.
to work? Okay,
Yep.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
now backlink means getting a link from other website to your website, then it will calculate it as a backlink. So why we need to get a backlinks again?
Mm,
To
to keep
increase
our
the
page in
viewership,
like SEO.
More words,
more
more
visitors.
words. Yeah.
One second, one second. Okay, so there is one more thing called no follow and do follow. So no follow means I'm not at all causing any link juice for that particular website. So I'm just redirecting the traffic, I'm just giving a link, but no link juice is passing. Whereas if it is a do follow, so I'm according, among with my, like, along with my link, I am just passing my link juice as well. So some trust I'm passing to that website. So I'm telling to Google that yes, this website is a more trustworthy, so you can trust that website for a keyword called online digital marketing. So Google will understands that yes, this person is providing some trust, so I can make. So if everyone provides some trust, So what happens? If everyone provides like do follow link to that particular website, Google will think that acha, so many people are believing in that website, so I have to make that website on top for a keyword called online digital marketing training. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what, so again it's in our hands, like so we go anyhow we're gonna discuss how to get a backlinks and all. So again it depends on the website owner whether to give a no follow or do follow backlink. Okay, so we always try to get a do follow backlink. Earlier we used to, now we need to get a backlink like a 50% as a no follow, and we have to get a do follow 50%.
Oh,
Got
what
it?
is this, ma'am? I didn't get like
50% no follow backlinks to your website, or 50% do
okay,
follow backlinks to your website.
okay, okay.
50-50%. So don't always try to get a do follow backlinks only, and don't
Only
always try to
okay,
get a, so again I
okay,
told you, right, giving an internal links and giving an external links is in our hands, but getting a backlink is also in our hands. So how to get
okay.
a backlinks and what are the techniques we're going to discuss. Okay, let me just list out the techniques. So first thing is that web 2.0 sites, web 2.0, social bookmarking. So these are the techniques we are going to follow in order to get a quality backlinks to our website. So now if you can take whatever the business, so if whatever the business standing right away on top, so those all websites are following this process. Web 2.0, social bookmarking, article submission sites, guest posting, need submissions, do submissions, and directory submissions, blog commenting. So these are the techniques we are going to discuss. Okay, so as of now, get perfect with this off page, how this works and what are the basics and why it is important to perform off page. So from tomorrow we're going to discuss how exactly we are going to request other websites for getting a backlink, and what are the things we need to find out with other websites when we are trying to get a backlink. So as of now, is it clear?
These techniques are to
Yes.
improve what